A variable point P on the ellipse of eccentricity E is joined to focus S and S dash. The eccentricity of the locus of in-center of triangle PSS is. So we'll draw this ellipse. And then we have any point P on this ellipse, which is say A cos theta and B sin theta. Now we have two focus, S1 and S2. Say S1 is minus AE comma 0 and S2 is AE comma 0. So now we'll talk about this triangle, which is PS1, S2. Now say this distance is R1, this distance is R2, and this distance is twice AE, and we know that R1 plus R2 is simply 2A, and we also know that, and this R1 is A 1 plus E cos theta, and R2 is A 1 minus E cos theta. Now once we have R1, R2, then we can write locus of in-center of this triangle. Now say locus of in-center is alpha comma beta. So we write alpha as 2A square E cos theta plus R1 into AE minus R2 into AE upon R1 plus R2 plus 2AE. So now we'll put the value of R1 minus R2. So R1 minus R2 in this case will be 2AE cos theta. So we can write this alpha as 2A square E cos theta and then plus AE1, and R1 minus R2 will be simply 2AE cos theta. Now we also know that R1 plus R2 is 2A. So it will be 2A and this is 1 plus E. Now here we'll take 2A square E cos theta common. So we'll take 2A square E cos theta common. We'll get this 1 plus E upon 2A, 1 plus E. So 1 plus E will cancel, 2A will also cancel. So we'll get alpha as AE cos theta. Now we'll write beta. It will be 2AE into B sin theta upon R1 plus R2 plus 2AE. So it will be 2A 1 plus E. So 2A again will cancel. So we'll get beta as EB sin theta upon 1 plus E. Now once we have alpha and beta, we need to eliminate theta. So we write cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So we'll get this equation as alpha square upon AE whole square plus beta square upon EB upon 1 plus E whole square equals to 1. So the locus of in-center will be x square upon AE whole square plus y square upon EB E plus 1 whole square, it is equal to 1. Now we need to find eccentricity of this ellipse. Now for this ellipse, this is say A square and this is say B square. So we can write B square as E square B square upon E plus 1 square, and this is equal to A square E square, and this is 1 minus E dash square. So E square will cancel. Now we can also write B square as A square into 1 minus E square. So we'll write A square 1 minus E square upon E plus 1 square, and this is A square into 1 minus E dash square. So A square will also cancel. So now we can write E dash square as 1 minus E square upon 1 plus E whole square. So this E dash square will be 1 plus E square plus 2E minus 1 plus E square upon 1 plus E whole square. Now here 1 and 1 it will cancel. Then we can also take 2E common. So we'll take 2E common. So it will be 2E 1 plus E upon 1 plus E square. So 1 plus E will cancel. So we'll get E dash as under root of 2E upon 1 plus e. So eccentricity of this locus will be under root 2e upon 1 plus e. And that's your option number 1.